Hello! Today I will be showing you how I'm performing a microneedling treatment on face for improving overall the skin texture and acne scarring. Yes, so we are going through everything I have on my trolley. So I've got my mask, I've got my small device, I've got the protection, the sleeve for the device, I've got small gauzes here, also cotton discs, I've got my tip. So this is my disposable tip. Sterile from the container for single use only, hand sanitizer, my cleanser, my Clinisept, which I'm going to be using during the actual procedure for sanitizing and just like removing any bacteria, microorganisms. And then also I'm going to use this hyaluronic acid gel, which will help me to glide during the treatment. So that's pretty much everything I have. My gloves are below. I've got my gloves here, and that's it. Consultation form as well. Okay. Area. It's important just to show you some techniques. So cleanse very well everywhere. Do you have any feeling?
No.
Clinisept. So, we are treating skin type 5, Asian, Lancer 5, and Global 2. So there are not really fine lines or wrinkles visible. As I already said, at the moment, how I'm feeling her skin, she said that her skin is more like a combination, so she feels, kind of oily on the T-zone. However, I would say that overall, I can see visible large pores, maybe slightly more normal here, but overall, her skin is more onto the oilier side. Even we can see on the chest area that, she still has some blemishes, even on the neck. Also here you can see. So that's why I would more consider her skin as an oily skin type. And we can also see larger pores here, larger on the nose. I also can see that the skin visibly appears to me oilier when I touch it. When I wash it, doesn't look dry or dehydrated even. Look, I'm squeezing now. The skin doesn't form any fine lines. So the skin is more or less well hydrated, at least, or that could be also as a result from the, kind of excessive amount of oil. We can definitely see there are some capillaries here, could be some sensitivity here, tiny. But the most important bit is the scars here, and then, some marks, discoloration overall. Her muscle tone is more or less okay, not the best, okay, but more or less okay. In terms of collagen, not bad. That's also because of the oil. So when the skin is oily, it ages much slower. That's another thing, another benefit to have oily skin. But definitely what we can see is a texture issue here. So we see scars, we see some kind of even, little kind of blockages, some small congestion here, for example, yeah. And, scars like marks after the, she doesn't have sun damage, but marks post-acne. I will start with forehead, and I'm going to divide it into sections. So I'm going to, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. That's the feeling. How do you feel?
Good.
Very good. Well done. I'm also stretching my area as well. So I'm going to, you can see, not too slow, but not too fast either. So kind of like really good depth. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Sometimes if the skin is too loose, I can only do small sections, like, for example, here. I could just do this. But at the moment the skin is not loose, so I'm going to continue doing that. And we can see perfect erythema. Mild erythema, which is exactly what I need, and a little bit of pinpoint bleeding. And this is only 0.4. I don't need more than that. In my case, this is exactly what I need. Perfect. Now my other pass will be this direction. Exactly. And keep good contact with the skin. Don't apply much pressure. So I'm gonna continue. Don't apply much pressure because yeah, it's not necessary. Okay. Try to do about 20% overlapping because obviously the needles are a little bit less. I mean, yeah, we need to always do some overlapping for better coverage. Okay, look, I'm going very close to the hairline as well, which is also important. So we don't want to miss parts. Very often client can see and then go home and say, okay, so you know what, you miss a bit around my hairline. So yeah, we don't want that to be the case. And very close to the eyebrows. Again, I'm stretching the skin. Okay. Client can feel a bit sneezy. This is totally normal. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's it. How do you feel? Okay. Yeah, I told you that it's a little bit better this side. Okay, so this is 0.8. I just want to see how she feels. I'm only doing that small area with the scars because if we don't increase the depth, we don't really treat the scars. So I'll show you another technique how you can do that to treat the scars more. So at the moment, we are doing our 3 passes, which is perfect. And where the scars are, okay, I can increase to 1, just to 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do stamping where the scars are, just here. And I also do a little bit like this. So I'm changing the position of the needles. This is where the scars are. How do you feel? Is that okay? Can you tolerate this?
I can tolerate
Yeah, okay.
it.
It's really good because you'll see your scars different after that.
Really?
Yeah, it's so good. Okay, so that's perfect. You can see perfect bleeding. We don't want crazy bleeding, but like that, a little bit more because we want to go deeper into the scar tissue because this is a lot of layers kind of missing there. So we need to make sure the collagen elastin builds up this. So this is really good. Okay, that's fine. So this is 1 millimeter here, okay? And then we'll continue with 8, let me see on the side. Let me see how she feels. So this is 8 now on the side. Okay. So look now. How is that? Perfect. Too much or it's okay?
It's okay.
It's okay. So we do this. Again. I'm going to stretch the skin. This is 0.8 millimeters I'm using here. Okay, how is that?
That's fine.
Yeah, I can see already the bleeding. And let me do another pass and then I'm gonna selectively do the actual. Good. So you can see perfect reaction. 2, 3. How is that? Okay, I'm almost done. And now the last pass. Done. That's done. I can also move myself 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna just do this area first. See, it's a bit too big. How do you feel?
This one's fine.
Perfect. Are you okay? It's only, I know that this is not the best. Okay. This is where the scars are as well. Could be just more sensitive because of this as well, because the skin is thinner there. That's another thing. That's why also it bleeds a little bit quicker than the other area. As you can see, I'm avoiding the most. As you can see, I don't touch too much my area. So this is 0.8, and then horizontal. I like to be very close to the ears so we can really stimulate and lift this skin. Okay, how do you? We are gonna change this to 0.7. Let's see how she feels, or even less than that. Let's see how she feels. You feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we do just one side first. Bite your lips for me, a little bit only, yeah. Okay. Two, three, done. Absolutely done. Perfect. You can see the perfect reaction is great. It's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, perfect. Good. The other side. Okay, so it's really good. We also can do stamping like this under the eyes. Need to stretch the skin. So when we stretch the skin, we are better. Okay. That's it. Done. That eye is done. A little bit on the side. Okay, and we are using 0.25 on the depth. Okay. Yep. That's it. Just a little bit. And a little bit here. Okay. I like to stretch. Don't press too much because the skin is super thin and there are a lot of capillaries. That's it. Okay. Done. I'm wiping the skin with Clinisept, and just to, disinfect it, to sterilize the skin, and I would like to apply a mask. So I'm going to show you how to apply mask with gauze and saline solution to calm the skin and kind of soothe the skin, especially because at the moment she feels probably on fire. So let me know on the scale from 1 to 10, how do you feel your skin at the moment?
No, it's fine. Obviously, it's a bit
sore.
Yeah.
Here. Of course, I made sure that I've used alcohol wipes for that. And I will soak them. We need about 5 ml for the client, yeah? So that's what it is. So keep your eyes closed. So I've got my gauze, which I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna use it over your eyes. Are you okay with that? Lovely. Okay. Leave it like that. Are you okay? Just gonna put this and then a little bit like that. Okay. We will leave it for about 5 minutes so the skin can calm. Yeah, so can kind of relax, and also will help with the redness. Overall, so it's going to be better. And then I will ask her how she feels. So for the next couple of days. So avoid any hot shower, steam sauna, or any active exercises. Avoid any sweating because the skin is still going through recovery. Also try to be away from direct sunlight, very important. Always apply sunscreen that could start being applied from tomorrow. Not today, leave it like that. The skin will be looking red sore and it will feel like this for about 1-2 hours, but it will start getting better from tomorrow onwards. Yeah, you might feel a little bit of, you might feel the skin getting a little bit darker because it's just inflammation is there, but it's in general will get much lighter after that. So you will see significant improvement of scars, of the actual texture of your skin, so it will be much smoother. Your pores around the nose, they will become tighter. And yeah, this is going to be visible a week later, so you will be like really happy with the result just a week after the treatment. Of course, we recommend treatment like that. We recommend course of treatments, let's say 5-6 sessions in about 5-6 weeks interval, depending on the depth. I mean, we didn't do super deep, but let's say about at least 4 weeks interval between sessions. At least 4 weeks interval between sessions. It is good. And then since the skin is going through the stages of wound healing, our 4th stage of wound healing actually can last over a year. So it means that collagen stimulation, because this is the stage where collagen is induced and is produced more and more, so can actually last for over 1 year. So if you can imagine that your collagen will be stimulated months and months post-procedure, it's like kind of good feeling. And yeah, the results are really great. So we'll see plumpness of the scars, evening of the skin skin tone, and overall great skin rejuvenation. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that video was helpful and will help you through your study journey.